Hi, I'm Kristen Eichel, and welcome to Yoga Emergency. I've practiced yoga for many years and have always loved how it makes me feel. As a result, yoga has become an essential part of my life, one that offers relief and peace no matter where I am. The beauty of Yoga Emergency is that it is simple, easy, and effective. These postures are designed with you in mind. Anyone, young or old, can benefit from these exercises. The sets are divided into 5 12-minute workouts with postures targeted to specific parts of the body. You'll find workouts designed to ease your sore back, release tight shoulders, open painful hips, and strengthen your legs. And because anyone can do this yoga, I've even included one segment designed specifically for use during pregnancy. Yoga is beneficial for anyone at any age. Our bodies constantly change and grow, and yoga can be an integral part of that development. I began teaching yoga as a way to share my passion and to hopefully inspire others like you in your own journey. Do your yoga along with me, but please honor where your body limits are today. Start slowly or rest as you need to, but gradually build up to greater repetitions or a longer hold. Your strength and endurance will grow with practice. Enjoy, and Sat Nam.